Hi everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to separate names and surnames from one cell where name and surname written. As you see, the names and surname are written in one cell. I'm going to separate them. So for a couple of the cells it's easy, but if you have, let's say, more than 100 names and surname written in one cell and you are told to separate them in the separated cells, you have to use a formula which separates these cells. Alright, I'm going to show you how to get the name. So the name exists on the left side of the whole text. I'm going to use left for this one and choose the text. And after that, I need to find how many characters the name exists. For that thing, I think I'm going to use the space character. If I find where the space character exists in whole text, and I will find also the character number of the text. Let me show you. First I'm going to find here equal find. We can find the character using find. I'm going to put a space there because I'm looking for a space, and I choose the text because I look from this text, and I'm going to press enter and it will tell me 6, and the JMS has 5 letters. If I do like this, find character and the text, it will give me the 6 minus 1. If I do this one, it will give me 5. Alright, so if I write the same formula right here into the the number character to the left function, it will turn me the first name. Let me show you. Equal left and choose the name, choose the text, let's say. I'm going to put a comma, and the number character I'm going to find from the find. And I will find the space from this. For that reason, first it says the find a text. I will find the space there, comma, it will do this through this text. Let's close it, and we will subtract 1 from this, and it will give me, it says close the brackets, that's why, and it will return me the JMS. Alright, let me show you again. Firstly, I choose the text, the first one, and secondly I need to tell him how many characters should I choose from the left, and I use the space character as a reference, and I find the space character from here, and space character stays in the sixth one. 1 2 3 4 5 6, but I don't need to include the space into the name. I'm going to subtract 1. It's going to subtract the space character from whole, and finally it will tell me 5, which gives the letter numbers of the name, and it just extracts the 5 letters from this whole, and it returns me the JMS. If I drag it down, it will do the same thing for all names, as you see here: John, Robert, Jose, Julie, and it goes on like this. Imagine if you have hundreds of names like this, you can do a simple formula like this and then apply this for all by dragging down. Let's find the surname together. I'm going to put equal sign, and this time I will get the surname from the right side. I will start with the right function. I choose the text, and now we need to find the character number, the character number of the surname. For that thing, my formula will be like this. If I subtract the character number of name from all, then I will have left the character number of surname. That's simple. Let's do like this. Length of the all, I'm going to do minus, and the length of the names, and it will return me the character number of the surname, because I subtract the character number of the name from all of them, and it will return me the character number of the surname. That's simple. And after that, I'm going to drag it down, and it will return me all the surnames as you see here. It's pretty easy with formulas to do this. Okay, and finally, I would like to show you how to combine these names and surname in one cell. To combine two different cells in one, we have to use concatenate function. Let me write there, equal concatenate. Yes, I can press tab to get the all, and he says first you select the text 1, comma. I would like to put a space also between them, and comma, select another text. If you want, you can put more text continuously by placing their comma, and when you're done, you press enter, and then it will connect them together like this. Alright, and if you drag it down, it will fill the rest. That's it. So we have finished our tutorial here. I hope it was useful to understand how to combine the cells and how to separate the cells. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.